IIT has been very committed for many years in supporting workshops, camps, um, and also teaching materials project for many years now. And one of the projects that they have been supporting is the conducting of teaching Islamic economics workshops. So we have been doing these workshops for quite a few years. And of course, because of COVID, we had a break for I think maybe 3 years, and now we are able to restart again. And because the fact that, as I was mentioning, I think earlier and also this morning to Dr. Yati, that Southeast Asia and especially Indonesia is going to be or is already the center of um interest in Islamic economics education. And therefore, it's quite natural that we would like to have more workshops in Indonesia. And of course, when we come to Indonesia, the first people we come to are our contacts. Yeah? So, Irfan, Litya, Niati, Hafaz, and also Zaman. These are the people that we know, and we are very happy that you all are leading the Islamic economics education initiative in Indonesia. So definitely there are plans to have more workshops in the future. What we want from you, of course, is the commitment to actually come and participate. And of course, as mentioned by Prof. Nurma, to actually send the articles so that we can actually give it in the form of book. So Dr. Borniati, we need your paper, of course, from Taskia, yeah, for the book. So we can have many examples, and as I said in the opening, we would like to share our experiences and learn from each other. I was very, very happy with the presentation by Dr. Iqbal's group, the table, because that's really something we need to do. Yeah? You have the concept and then how you bring it in and what would be the references. If we can do that for all topics, I think this would be very, very fruitful. So once we have these workshops, we hope that we can have some kind of standardization of how we understand Islamic economics. Because really, I think, as Dr. Hafaz has written in his work, we are still not at the stage of discipline consensus yet. I'm sure we take a survey on many concepts. Even just now, we were talking about whether zakat should be part of the government or not, and there's so many different opinions. So by talking about this, hopefully we can come to some kind of uh, consensus on what we all understand. And therefore, when we teach the same. Well, generally the core is the same. Okay? And therefore, we won't have students who are taking undergraduate in IIUM and then go to do master somewhere else, and the master's is saying something different than the undergraduate. We would like to have some kind of consistency of the core elements of Islamic economics. That has to be there. So this is what we are hoping, and I'm very much happy to note, as Prof. Omar said, the coming in of Ikatan Ahli Ekonomi Islam Indonesia as a founding member of the Federation. The association, I think, 350, 350 members. So we hope that we can have maybe programs in 350 institutions, maybe. Yeah? And we do it daily, we'll finish in 1 year. So I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much to the hosts for a wonderful occasion. And I can only say that as far as Triple IT is concerned, we will continue to support such functions. Wallahu alam. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.